What's up mga kanani? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's vlog ay papakita ko lang sa inyo yung snowstorm dito. And yun lang. I-share ko lang naman sa inyo yung snowstorm dito. Yung kala mo parang may bagyo din. Yung parang typhoon din dyan sa Pinas. Kaya lang pagkakaiba is snow. So, ayan, panoorin nyo po. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang din i-share sa inyo, di ba? Hindi naman to masyado pero yun lang. Tara po, panoorin natin. Oh, yeah.
A tree's gonna fall down, Graham.
Where?
A tree's gonna fall down.
I don't think so. It's not, I think. Oh my God, it's a snowstorm right
So
now.
no going
here.
outside today.
Yeah, no going outside. It's good that we're back. Actually, this morning when we went out with me and Michi, it's already windy, but there's no snow. So that's why I got, oh my gosh. I got surprised when I saw it.
But
See?
it looked like fun outside, but it might blow away all the trees.
Yeah, it's, oh my
It
God.
might blow away.
Hola, look at that. Oh no. Yeah, it's a snowstorm outside. So
But yesterday, it was
Yeah.
just like calm and beautiful. But
yeah, yesterday.
today, it's because it was supposed to snow last night.
Yeah, but it doesn't happen, right?
No.
So only this morning, when we went outside, it's like it's calm, but still it's already windy. But when we're
snow.
almost at home, there's snowdrops already. But I don't expect that it will having a snowstorm right now. Oh, that's why you asked me to go there in the door, in the living room, right?
Yeah. That's
So,
what I wanted
ayan,
you.
mga kanani, mayroong dito
It
snowstorm
doesn't
here.
look like it's gonna look on trees, but it could pick up grass.
Anong lumabas kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. Actually, lumabas ko yung ganyan ng alaga ko kasi pinatulog ko. Kasi gumising siya ng 5 a.m. Sabi ni and then, yun nga. So, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo.
It's too
Yan.
snowy. My body. If it's
See? Grabe.
going to fall.
It's snowstorm. Yeah.
Grell, it's gonna break the window.
No, of course not. Our window is strong enough. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's like
I
already,
know.
I think it's already 30 minutes ago or 15 minutes since the snowstorm
I
started.
saw that when I was at school.
Oh, really? Oh, I don't know that.
Well, it's only snowing a little bit.
Oh, it's not like this. It's strong, yeah.
Yeah, but now up here, it's like.
Yeah, and it's like hitting the window, right? The plant downstairs.
But it will.
Oh, see? What a snowstorm.
It's. How?
Yeah,
Do you know what?
yeah,
Well, you know what?
yes.
I think it's gonna put down a tree.
I don't think so. Well,
A huge tree, like that one up there.
see, maganda lang tingnan siya. Pero pag nasa labas kayo yan, oh my God. It's, yan, hahampas sa mukha niyo yung snow.
No going outside today, right?
Of course, but I don't know if it will end soon or is it the whole day, so we don't know. If like the snowstorm stop in the midday, in the afternoon, we can go out, right?
Yeah. But we can't go outside right now, right?
But right now, I don't think so that we can go
No.
outside. Yeah, because it's
But
very
there's still
strong.
gonna be snow on the ground.
Yeah, See,
So
look
we
at
can
that.
play in the snow.
Yeah.
So I definitely need to wear my snow.
See, downstairs.
But Rahel,
Yeah, what?
why are you ordering Rahel?
Yeah. I haven't yet ordered my snow pants.
Rahel,
Yeah, I forgot.
you should.
Oh my
Rahel,
God,
what
so
is your
delikado
Rahel?
ng snow.
Rahel, what does this say? What does this say?
It's beauty girl.
It said that I am beauty girl.
Yeah.
Beauty girl. Beauty girl is beautiful. Beauty girl.
So, ayan nga ang snow. Nakita nyo naman. Sobra as in. Diba nakakatakot din. Bas.
How?
Parang it's like slowing down. Is that?
What?
Is it slowing down now? The storm?
A little.
Yeah. I mean, the wind. Or, oh no, again. Starting again. See, look at the trees. Oh, again. Oh my God. I think, you know, it will take an hour, maybe.
Maybe, I don't
Or
know.
longer.
I'm standing on top of my thing so I can see
Yeah.
if the fences snow. No fences is snowed, but we should maybe go
But
outside.
look at the garden. The garden is full of snow already.
I know it is.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. See the wind?
Mist.
Oh my God, the wind. See?
It's mist.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. Now. Okay. We can play
Did,
now.
did,
Your
did you
turn.
take a picture of it?
Yeah.
Okay, we should call.
Grabe ang
No,
lakas
I
na.
was. How? Look at
Baka
this.
sa atin sa
Now look at
Pilipinas,
this.
bagyo.
Look.
Wow. Ang sa atin sa Pilipinas, bagyo siya. Kaso dito is snow. So, mamaya niyan, makapal na yan. So, ayan.
But you can't get that book, Rahel. Rahel, you know.
Okay.
Rahel, you
Pinakita
can't
ko lang
get
sa
that
inyo ang
book.
snowstorm here.
Rahel, you can't get the book
Okay.
because it's
Yeah.
Rahel, look on these cuties. They're so cute. Look, Rahel.
Yeah.
I found.
Grabe siya, oh. Lalong lumalakas, oh. Oh my gosh. Titigil yan, ano. Makapal na. Hanggang, kung maghapon yan, mamayang hapon, hanggang ano yan. Below tuhod siguro. Hindi kasi ko tumitingin yan, oh, sa weather forecast kung ilang centimeter ang snow ngayong araw. Hindi kasi ako masyado na tingin na ngayon. Kasi may ano yan eh, yung sa weather forecast, yung sinasabi nila kung ilang centimeter ang maging snow. So, hindi ako tumingin. Kaya, sa sobrang busy ko, hindi na ako
Did
nakakatingin.
it get stronger, Rahel?
Yeah, it's like, something like that.
Wait, let me check.
Now it's like calm. Then, in a while, it's getting stronger. And then suddenly it stopped. Then again, it's like,
Anyways, Rahel,
yeah.
I'm gonna go change in Mommy's room, okay?
Why? You can change here because mommy had a meeting.
So, ayan nga, napanood nyo na ang snowstorm dito, di ba? Ang lakas din. Sabi nga ng alaga ko, hala, baka matumba daw yung yung mga puno kasi sobrang lakas talaga niya. And, syempre, wala namang natumba kasi hindi naman talaga ganun pa talaga kalakas as in. Pero, kung nasa labas ka talaga, hindi mo kakayanin nasa labas ka. Kasi as in, ang lakas kasi talaga ng hangin. Snowstorm nga eh, storm. So, yun nga. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood, kahit yun lang naman, simple lang. Gusto ko lang din i-share sa inyo, di ba? And hanggang dito na lang. Salamat sa panonood. See you sa next vlog. And shout out sa lahat ng mga katimpyaters, lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dyan. Lahat na po kayo. Batchmate ko, lahat. Thank you so much. And, mwah!